Snowy NYC day. My train just got canceled, so I gotta be out here for 30 minutes in this mini blizzard. Keep the fit though. Yeah. But how you guys doing? What's going on with you guys? Are you guys staying productive? A lot of people birthday today, so whatever birthday it is, I want to wish you a happy birthday. Yeah, what can I say? Just grateful for life, you know what I mean? And these are the sacrifices that some of us gotta take every morning to provide for our families and our loved ones. Some of the nice things that you see as well. These are the sacrifices that we gotta take to go out and get it. What time is it? It's pretty much shit. I left my watch. I don't know what the fuck. I fucked up this morning, but it's pretty much around 5 something right now in the morning. 5:05, early in the morning, early little blizzard.